I'm once again hanging on my rings. You can have your door-mounted pull-up bar or anything else. Now, number one, once again, full body tension. So contract your legs, your quads, okay, your core. This is where we're at. We're not going to be doing this kind of thing, okay? That's not a leg raise. You are here. From here, you're bringing it up as far as you can and then back down, okay? Only to the front of you. You always see your toes, okay? Up, 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 okay? And that right there is a proper leg raise. So bring it up nice and high. If your knees can touch your chest, perfect. It doesn't have to go all the way that high, but you want to bring it past halfway. If all you ever do is this, you're just working what we call your hip flexors. Okay, you're never really hitting your abs. So you want to bring it past that 90 degrees. And then obviously we can take it a bit further by straightening out your legs. Okay, let's get in this position again. Get that nice full body tension. Remember, eventually we're also going to do things like this. L-sit, okay? But just now, you bring your legs up to the top and to the bottom, okay? Top and bottom. And all of these things is continuing to develop your core, your abs, and these are some of the best exercises for your abs because it's going to help you sculpt a great looking midsection but also a strong one. And eventually, these things are going to help with all the other exercises where you need a strong core.